Everybody, I wanted to show you in a more condensed version what it would be like and how beneficial the embouchure can be to starting a beginner. We're going to go through the same process as videos 1 through 4 in the tutorials, but we're going to do it in a much quicker fashion here. So again, you start the player with their lips around the aperture setter, creating a gentle seal. Then you apply the rim of the mouthpiece while maintaining that seal, blow, and then simply release the aperture setter to let the buzz form where the air and the aperture setter were. So here's how that might look. Obviously, your beginner is not going to sail right up to 2 octaves on a high C in their first try, but what I wanted to show is what's possible with the ease of that initial setup. Obviously, a beginner has to build a foundation of support around this, but the key is putting the work in the right place. We want to make sure we're not building students around pinning or building students around passivity. We want to make sure that they understand to put the work in the right place to maintain that good read at the center of the mouthpiece.